The travel and tourism industry is an integral pillar of the Make in India program. The sector plays a significant role as an economic multiplier in creating jobs at a rapid rate. The travel sector has substantial sectoral output in Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise, having participants from the most prominent cities to the small towns and villages and the grassroots. Numerous initiatives are taken by the Government of India, like the National Skill Development Program, Service Export from India scheme, Meeting Incentive, Conference Exhibition, which have led to substantial job creation at the ground level. With SEAS implementation, India generated export revenue from tourism of approximately 1,95,000 crore in 2018. In 2019, the total foreign exchange revenue was over 2,10,000 crore. According to the World Travel and Tourism Council, in 2019, India generated about 5.6% of total export revenue. The sector employs nearly 40 million people, and SEAS has immensely helped India's tourism export on several fronts. The incentives offered under SEAS have given scope for offering packages at competitive prices and attracting more visitors. Speaking on the issue, Manik Davar, SPEC chairman, said the Service Exports Promotion Council has made representation to both the Finance and Commerce Ministries for the release of SEAS for the year 2019 to 20. We have conveyed repeatedly that service sectors, especially hospitality, medical, and education, have suffered hugely during the pandemic, and any relief would be welcome. To ensure that benefits goes to medium and small service providers, we have suggested a cap so that no exporters avail of a benefit of more than 5 crore. The government has announced many manufacturing sector schemes but none for services, even though this sector has registered consistent growth and has been positive. The Indian Association of Tour Operators Senior Vice President E.M. Najib believed that the tourism industry has made a continued effort to request the government to release the SEAS under foreign trade policy. Justice P.V. Asha passed the interim order on the petition filed by Kerala Travel Mart Society, and on 9th April 2021, Kerala High Court has given the order stating that government should disperse new policy within 2 months and it should be announced, he said. However, since the pandemic has hit, the government has been ignoring the tourism industry. The tourism industry is undergoing one of the biggest existential crises. Spinning under the pandemic's colossal blows, new 30% of inbound tour operators in India may shut their shops permanently. However, this figure could be as much as 60 to 70% as per some estimates. With restrictions on international travels and no tourism in the country, there have been severe effects on tour operators' revenue. The revenue have choked, and the tour operators and travel companies seek relief from the government in the form of re-implementation of SEAS. Continuation of SEAS can bring some immediate relief to the tour operators, and millions of jobs could be saved as soon as COVID-19 subsides. That's it for today's news. Thank you for watching. Subscribe Travel Trade News for more updates.